Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher Fayazuddin Ahmad here. Today we are going to discuss some sentences based on the vocabulary we learned last session. This is related to the lesson Unit 6, lesson number 4, the history of money. The genre of this lesson is expository text. This is from pages 96 and 97 of your booklet, English booklet. Can you please open the booklet, pages 96 and 97, English reading booklet. The vocabulary words were currency, economics, entrepreneur, global, invest, marketplace, merchandise, transaction. Currency. The meaning of the currency, we learned that it's the money used in a country. Like the currency for Saudi Arabia is Riyal. Here we make a sentence. You may make your own sentence, any other sentence apart from this. The sentence what we made here is the currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. This is the sentence. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. You can make any other sentence like the currency of America, United States of America is dollars, or any other sentence you can make. So here we go with this sentence. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Riyal. The next word is economics. Economics is the study of production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. The study of production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. This is the meaning of the word economics. The sentence what we made is, my brother took a degree in economics. My brother took a degree in economics. This is all about economics, the production, distribution, consumption, what we see in this picture. The third word is entrepreneur. The meaning of entrepreneur is a person who starts and runs a business, a person who organizes a business. The sentence here is, my aim is to become an entrepreneur. My aim is to become an entrepreneur. This is the sentence here. You can make your own sentence. You can see in the picture, this is an entrepreneur who just started a business of her own and is running a business. Global. Global, the meaning of the global is something that has to do with the whole world, something that is international, that is connecting different countries of the whole world. So global, we can make a sentence like this. Scientists are concerned about global warming. Scientists are concerned about global warming. Next word is invest. Invest. Yes, we have seen how money grows when we invest something, when we invest our money in property, when we invest our money in business. So invest is, my friend decided to invest in a property. This is the sentence what we made here. My friend decided to invest in a property. Marketplace. Meaning of the marketplace is a place where goods are sold and bought. A place where different things are bought and sold. Here we can see in the marketplace, the businessmen are selling the goods and customers are buying those goods. This is a marketplace in the picture. The sentence is, the boy ran through the marketplace. The boy ran through the marketplace. Merchandise. The meaning of the merchandise is goods for sale. Goods that are for sale. This is the meaning. And the sentence what we make here is, the shop displays branded merchandise. The shop displays branded merchandise. We can see the goods displayed here in this shop. They are branded goods. They are branded clothes, and there are branded footwear, etc. Next word is transaction. Transaction is a business deal in which people give and take Like they can give and take in terms of cash or in any other mode. So this is a business deal here. So I used cash for my transaction. You can see the picture on the left here. Dollars are being used for transaction, and here also there is a transaction going on between the shopkeeper and the customer. So I used cash for my transaction. You can make your own sentences. Hope you understood all these sentences. You can make your own sentences. The homework for today's topic, related to today's topic, is from pages 96 and 97. You can make your own sentences, or you can just use the sentences what we discussed today. See you in my next session. Until then, have a nice time. Thank you.